In this video, I'll be going over comparing integers. The best way for understanding how to compare integers, especially when there's negative numbers and positive numbers, is by the use of a number line. In the middle of the screen, there's a number line, and we will use it to help us compare integers. Integers are numbers that could be negative or positive. Below are 4 examples, and we'll be going over each one. For the first example, we have the integer -6 and -2. So what we're going to do is going to plot it on the line. So -6 is right here, and -2 is right here. The tip here is that the numbers further to the right is the greater one. So out of these two integers, -2 is further to the right, and so that one will be the greater of the two. And therefore, we would place as less than in this case. For the second example, we have -2 and 0. So we're going to go ahead and plot on the line again. -2 is right here, and 0 is right here. So 0, since 0 is further to the right, so therefore it's the greater of the two. And so we would place it as less than. Now for the third example, we have 6 and -7. So 6 would be right here, and -7 would be all the way down here. So you can see 6 is greater of the two, and so this one will be greater than. For the fourth example, we have -9 and -10. -9 would be right here, and -10 would be right over here. Since -9 is further to the right, and so -9 would be the greater of the two. And so we will place it as greater than. So when comparing integers, the number line really helps when comparing two integers, especially when we are comparing two negative numbers. Like example 1 here, where we have -6 and -2. This number -6 looks to be bigger number than -2 because of 6 and 2. However, if you look at it from the number line perspective, you'll see -6 is actually smaller than -2. We also have videos on adding and subtracting integers, as well as the whole integers review. These two videos are just as important and needed for understanding of integers. I would strongly suggest going over these before or after mastering comparing integers. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.